Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility so you can act immediately. Once there, enable the Accessibility shortcut at the bottom. This gives you fast triple-click access. Next, choose one core feature to configure first, for example VoiceOver for spoken feedback, Zoom for screen magnification, or Magnifier for camera-based reading. Make small adjustments to the features settings now so you have a predictable baseline. This prevents confusion when you test the shortcut right away. Now focus on detailed configuration so the features behave as you expect. For VoiceOver, set rotor options, speaking rate, and verbosity. This gives precise control when navigating. Once done, open Zoom settings to set maximum zoom, zoom region, and any filter or display accommodations so magnified content remains clear. Then configure magnifier filters, brightness, and save a preset for commonly used lighting. Make sure to practice each feature briefly so muscle memory forms for the controls and gestures. Finish by adding your chosen accessibility tools to Control Center for one-swipe access, and confirm the accessibility shortcut triggers them with a triple click. Test each tool in real tasks, reading text, navigating apps, or viewing distant signs, so you know which gestures you'll use. If something fails, first restart the iPhone to clear transient issues, and then reset only the problematic accessibility setting rather than everything. If that still fails, toggle the feature off and on, and reassign the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.